Juruai, Jok. Your registration number ML015383. Fin Subhaban Pinkaya.
Today marks a significant milestone in our journey towards excellence, and we are thrilled to share this momentous occasion with you all. First of all, I'd like to extend my warmest welcome to Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, who has graciously joined us.
We will now felicitate the Honorable Minister of CNRD, Shri A.T. Mandal.
People and today we celebrate the realization of that vision. This plot stands as a testament to our collective effort and determination. Sir, as a local representative, as a local MLA, this day will be a historic day, but not to me.
At the very outset, I would like to thank God Almighty